welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a tutorial today based on the MorpheXJaclynHill palette. This one is called Dark Magic. It looks like this. Can you see that? I purchased this maybe 2 weeks ago. I got this one and I got the Ring the Alarm. And I didn't order them on the Morphe, but I went to Ulta to go get them. And they were retailing for $15 each, I think. I didn't get the other ones. One of them was sold out, and I didn't feel like getting the other one without the other palette. So I just decided to get these two, and then later on get the other two that are left to get. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this video. Just gotta set for a notification. Ooh, no palettes. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start this tutorial. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera because I don't know how to do my brows on camera yet. I'm still learning. And so let's get started. I think this video is gonna be a voiceover because when I talk, I just talk too much. So, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use these bad boys. Look at these. I don't know how long I'm supposed to wait. I had it for like 6-7 minutes. I don't know. I think it's time to take off. I gotta pick those up now. But after that, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. I like to use the Sol de Janeiro. It smells so good. Go ahead and put that around our moisturizer. For the first eyeshadow, well, before I put it in my little tips as always. For the first eyeshadow, we're gonna go in with the color and that's gonna be our transition shade. Go ahead and pack that down. I feel like the angle for you guys to see is not the best angle. I'm gonna go ahead and try to change that. Okay, for the next color I'm gonna go in, it's called Mojo. I'm gonna go ahead and take that one like right into the crease. Whoa. It's mess. And now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut the crease. Your shadow should look something like this. I'm gonna go in with the the Tarte Shade Tape in the shade Fair. I had my little like what spatula and I'm not sure where it's at right now. I usually put the product on the spatula, that way I don't have to use the back of my hand, but for now I guess this will have to do. I like to look up, that way my my concealer hits where it should go. I know that my crease is down here, but I put my concealer higher. That way, when throughout the day my shadow that's on my eyelid doesn't get to the top of my of the rest of the transition shade. Because, girl, by the end of the day, that shit will look like poo. Now to set my concealer, oh my god, I got concealer over here. To set my concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the shade Poof with my Urban Decay little brush. Go ahead and Okay, and after you set your concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and take on the inside job. Be careful with this, it's dark. Just pat it on. The side of the... Okay, so then I'm gonna take this squarish kind of brush, and this one's from BH Cosmetics. I think it's on number 5 because it says number 5. I'm gonna go ahead and inside with the same color called Inside Job, and I'm gonna go ahead and line. It's like a liner. I'm gonna line with that. To cover our crease, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Mario Identity and my Morphe brush, flat brush, spray that, and we're gonna go in with Power Cut. We're gonna go in Power Cut, just right on the crease. Once your eyeshadow looks like this, you can just go back and fix your liner like that, and then I'm gonna go back in with Nice Job, Inside Job, and I'm gonna go ahead and dab onto that and go ahead and blend it. This palette has a lot of fallout, which I don't seem to mind about it, but I mean, I don't really mind the fallout, just as these colors blend and do their job, everything will be fine. Now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go back with my flat brush, spray it again, and this time I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna go with Trickery, the green one, and I'm gonna go and put it right on the side of this. Okay, so I forgot to film. Well, at last minute I decided to put the shade Busted, and I put it right in the corner right there. I also did end up, because I didn't like how it looked so dull, so I ended up using the NYX glitter liner, and I ended up doing it right at the top of this. You see the difference, like this, and then you see this. It ended up popping it out more, and also popped out some lashes. The lashes I am using are called Mariah, and these are like really nice lashes, guys. I really like these falsies. That's what they look like, and they're called Mariah, and they're from Makeupshack. This is where I get all my falsies from. I'm trying to get at least every single one of their falsies because I love all their falsies. I just love using their falsies. I think that's like one of the nicest brands I have used, which is Makeupshack, and these are in style Mariah. I'm gonna also ready. I changed. By the way, I'm going out. That's why I'm getting ready. Guys, did I tell you about my ear piercing? Got my ear pierced almost a month ago, and I mean, at first when I got it done, it didn't hurt, but like after a while, it wasn't much pain if it was just like pressure. I had a lot of pressure on my ear, like when I got the bottom part, it didn't hurt, but when I got the top, that really hurt. And I mean, like, I had a lot of pressure for like a while. My ear got swollen, it was red for like a whole 2 weeks. I think it was a whole week or almost 2 weeks. It was red, it was swollen, like swollen, I mean like thick swollen. I thought I had an ear infection, but thank God I messaged my ear piercer. She told me some good things to get. I went and got it, and then I also went to get a vaccine spray. Also helped out a lot for my ear. But I had it for a month, almost a month already. So yeah, that's the only new thing I can say right now. So to prime my face, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty primer. And if you have the foundation, it smells just like the foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. My cheeks and my forehead. Also, what did I forget? Oh, there it is. Sorry. I'm gonna use the No More Baggage Needles No More, also from Dr. Brandt. Go ahead and put some of that in, some of that in. Oh. This is to help out with your baggage. I mean your bags, like your little lines under your eyes. So now I'm gonna go in with my Becca First Light Priming Filter as well. I'm gonna go in with that. Get some of that into my skin. And I'm putting a lot of primer, a lot of moisturizer on my face because I am going out a night out. And I need all of this so my foundation can stay on. I look as pretty and as good as when I apply it. So then I'm gonna go in with the primer, and now I got the foundation. Excuse me. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation, and it's in shade 150, I think, soft matte. I'm gonna go in with my blender. Shake. Where are my cat ears? Go in with my, get anything in my face. Apply this. Done with your foundation, I'm gonna go in with the porn. This way, multi-use. Oh, this way is looks better. Multi-use concealer in the shade Almond. Oh, hairs. It's always when I apply makeup to my face gets itchy. And when I don't have makeup, my face isn't itchy. So I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced bronzer. This is called Chocolate Soli. I'm gonna go in with my brush and just put a contour away. Oh, I added shade it was that I added down there, but the blue one that I added over here, I added at the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and I baked. I'm gonna use the Dream palette. I don't know what shade I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use my Mercier Loose. This is so itchy. hairs are in my nose. If you have a cat, you know what it is to have cats. You understand. Ooh, look at that.
Put that on YouTube?
Yeah. Sorry, I concentrate on my lips, gloss, lipstick. A lot. So the shade I went ahead and used, I was gonna use this one. I went ahead and I used the Ofra one. This is the shade Verona. Ofra and Verona. It will focus. No one to focus, so it's Verona. And I like it. But thank you guys for watching. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed it. And leave a like. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe. And yeah, pretty much. Thank you guys, and